In this video, I'll show you how to use Scrcpy without USB debugging. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead, type in cmd in your search menu, then run as administrator to open up the command prompt. Then just give it some time to load. And now we will need the necessary commands that we would be using here. So go ahead and copy these commands, as you can see at your screen. The first command you should copy and paste is this one. So go ahead, copy it, then go back to the command prompt, hit Ctrl V or type it by yourself. After that, just hit enter. And by now you should hear a USB disconnection sound. So after you do that, the next step is easy. It's to go back to this command prompt, which is the second one. As you can see, ADB connect your phone's IP address. Now to find your phone's IP address, you should find it in your phone settings, in your about section. So go ahead, paste it here, and replace this text with your phone IP address. So after you do that, just hit enter, and you should be good to go. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe our channel for next video.